Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. So I'm going to be showing you guys a very quick makeup tutorial, and I'm going to start over with the classic concealing foundation. I'm just going to be blending that into my face with a foundation brush. And after that, I'm going to go into highlight. I'm highlighting my face with the Elegant Pro Concealer. I don't remember what shade this is in, but it's going to be listed down in the description box. So I'm just going to be blending it in. The key is to press it into your skin and not drag it all over. So blend. And I'm going to be setting everywhere I highlighted with the banana powder. And I really do not bake. I just, press the powder into my skin. Baking isn't really my thing. I'm going into contour, and I'm going to be using the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. And I'm just contouring. And I'm blending it with the contour brush. Yes. And I'm going to be setting my contour with the Absolute New York bronzer. I'm contouring my nose with the same Absolute New York bronzer with this. I don't know what that is. Okay, so for the rest part of my face that wasn't highlighted or contoured, I'm going to set it with the black up powder. And then I'm going to be using this blush by Sleek Makeup to, add some colors to my cheek. Then I'm just going to be adding a little eyeshadow to my crease. Just to give my eyes some color, nothing serious. I'm going to use the Organics mascara for my lashes. And the Revolution highlighter, to highlight everywhere else that sun will normally hit your face. Yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and turn on the little post notification bell so anytime I post you'll be notified. Yeah, like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next time. Under your spotlight.